Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see how to prepare a adamanga or a sun-dried mango. Adamanga is nothing but the sun-dried flat slices of raw mango which is actually kept in the sun for few days, and when it is dried it is stored in the airtight container. This is usually prepared in Kerala and we can prepare a lot of dishes out of this. And this particular adamanga is absolutely moisture free and it is definitely very delicious. So before we go into the procedure, if you are watching my channel for the first time, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for further interesting recipes and notifications. For making the dried mango pieces, I have taken 2 raw mango. I am going to cut it into small pieces along with the skin. I have washed the raw mango and I am going to cut it into pieces like this. So if you see, it is like, I am just going to cut it like this so that if I keep it in the sun, it gets dried faster. This shape and little thin. You can see that I have cut the mangoes in this shape and it is not very thick and it is thin. So I am going to spread it to be dried in the sun. So before that, what I am going to do is I am just going to add some salt. So to this I am just adding, see these are 2 raw mangoes. For that I am adding around 3 spoons of salt. Just going to mix it up nicely. So the first day we are going to just dry it in the sun only with salt. So the next day we'll be adding the chili powder along with the other spices. So this one I'm going to leave it in the sun. The sunlight which is there in the balcony itself is sufficient. It need not be the direct sun. If you have direct sun, it is well and good. So the first day I have actually put some salt. So I've kept it in the sun, and then the second day I'm just applying some chili powder and some methi seeds powder. The dry roasted methi seeds powder, I usually have it at home, and maybe a little bit of hing powder, and mix it up nicely. We are doing this basically because the first day when I add salt, it will leave water and it will get dried out completely. So from the second day we can add the chili powder, methi seeds powder. Some people even add the turmeric powder. If you want, you can add that. And I'm also adding some hing powder. So I'm going to dry it for 3-4 days until it becomes totally dry. So I have taken a small portion of the dried mango which is actually rubbed with salt and other mild spices, and I have kept it in the sun for about a week. So you can see it is nicely dried, and if you have ample amount of sunlight coming into your balcony, this will be the best dish you should prepare in summer. And this is going to be a very handy dish when it is prepared during the summer, and we can prepare a vetta kolambu out of it which will be really tasty, which I'll be sharing with you all in the coming weeks. So this, if you see, it is absolutely moisture free. So I hope you'll all try out the adamanga recipe or the sun-dried mango recipe, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives. Have a nice day.